I hate packing. Hello students, my name is Durian. I'm trying to prepare to go on vacation, but I hate packing. Do you have any travel tips for packing? In today's lesson, we're going to learn about some tips for packing. Right, let's go.
Shirts, hat, makeup, shoes, scarves. Did I forget anything?
Are you preparing for your vacation?
Yeah, I'm thinking what to bring on my vacation. I hate packing so much.
Why? Packing for travel is really fun.
There's just so many things I want to bring, but my suitcase does not have enough space.
What? I thought you had a very large suitcase.
Maybe the problem is I don't know how to pack light for a trip. Do you have any useful tips?
Firstly, you should make a packing list. Write down all the things you need to bring. So toiletries, shoes, clothes, electronics.
I already did that. What else?
You should make sure you roll your clothes. This saves a lot of space and prevents wrinkles. With makeup and toiletries, make sure you bring travel-safe products.
Great idea. Oh, the toiletries have also leaked in my suitcase. Do you know how to prevent that?
Yes, you should divide your solid and liquid products and put all liquid products in a toiletry bag. You should also watch some videos online for more helpful packing tips.
Thanks for your advice. I'll check them now.